Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a large format printer. First, carefully unbox your new large format printer and all its components, checking for any shipping damage. Next, find a sturdy, level surface for placement, ensuring you have at least 18 inches of clear space around the machine for easy access and proper ventilation. Finally, connect the power cable to a reliable outlet and power on your printer, preparing it for the next steps. Now, let's get your printer talking to your computer. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the most current printer drivers and any essential RIP software. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation, following all on-screen prompts. After installation, connect your printer to your computer using either a USB or network cable. Finally, verify that your computer successfully recognizes the printer, ensuring seamless communication for future print jobs. With the software ready, it's time to load your media. Choose the appropriate paper or vinyl for your project, then carefully load the roll onto the printer's spindle, ensuring it's perfectly centered. Next, perform a color calibration directly from your printer's control panel. This crucial step helps maintain consistent color accuracy, especially with environmental changes like humidity. Adjusting ink limits and gray balance will ensure your prints look their absolute best. To finalize your setup, perform a small test print. This allows you to confirm that all settings are correct and the print quality meets your expectations. For ongoing optimal performance, remember to clean your print heads and maintenance station regularly, perhaps twice weekly. Also, run a print job at least once every week to prevent ink from drying and clogging. Proper media storage and checking ink expiration dates will further extend your printer's life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.